how to set up rules in Google Antigravity. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can set up your own rules in the Google Antigravity. So in Google Antigravity, rules are manually defined passive constraints that acts as guardrails for an AI agent's behavior. Unlike interactive commands, they are typically always on and injected into the system prompt to ensure the agent follows specific coding standards, security protocols, or stylistic preferences across all of its tasks. So this is a very important feature that you could use in order to maintain all of the guardrails that you wish for your development experience. So let me show you how you can add rules in your Google Anti-Gravity. So to do that, simply click onto this arrow just beside your profile picture, and from here click onto the quick settings panel. Now in the quick settings panel, you can see these following settings, and one such setting is customizations. Click onto this manage option and you will see rules. Now you have two scopes, either to add a global rule or to add a workspace rule, which will be only applied to this workspace, where a global rule will always apply to all of the workspaces. So let me quickly add a workspace rule, and from here I do not need to define anything in a command way. I just simply need to enter it as a prompt. So for example, always maintain. So it says invalid rule name, only lowercase letters are allowed. So from here you can simply enter a rule name first. So let's say the rule name is no violations. Then hit the enter button, and now here I will be typing in the content for this particular rule. So for example, that is maintain. So it could be anything, whatever you feel like. And once you are done with this, you can simply toggle it on and off as per your needs. So that was all about rules in Google Anti-Gravity. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.